everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, we have another unbagging, so that must mean we have a review. Let's see what is in here. I do love these scissors. They're just the best. Let's see here. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Hang in there. All right. Well, this bag is from FGNormal store. And we have one thing in diamond painting and one thing in cross stitch. So, before we get to the elephant in the room, and it's an elephant. No, it's not that big. Not quite that big. It's big enough. But let's take a look at what is in this bag. And I put my scissors away, because I can't get these open because they're pretty sticky. Once they're stuck, they're good. I do like these things. Now I got this because my granddaughter likes to do stickers and stuff. So I thought I'd see what these look like and what maybe an art project I could do with it. These stickers were $4.78. So it comes with boat wax and pin. But aren't they beautiful? And you can just peel them off and stick them somewhere. I don't know, my granddaughter, she is fascinated with stickers. But I thought if she had some pink flowers, because pink is her color, everything has to be pink, pink, pink. But yeah, it comes with 4. And I don't know, I think they're all different. Maybe. Yeah, those are different. There's a few with blue on them. But I just thought they were beautiful. You could decorate something with them, like if you had cabinets or something like that. And let's see here. It's kind of sticky on the outside, and then they just peel up. They're made of a heavy piece of paper, but they are very sticky. Now these I'd probably use that Tombow glue or whatever to cover them up. You know, if you were going to stick them on something permanently. But I just thought they were beautiful. You could decorate with them. I'm sure you could put them on the wall. I have it used to be, you know, the 1970s paneling. Whoops. Whoa. Crash, boom, bang. Paneling, and somebody had painted it white when we got here, so we just painted it another color when my daughter and I redecorated and everything. So just beautiful. Let's take a look. And they're round drills. I don't think there's any special ones. They're all regular, you know, drills. Pretty sure. But I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with them. You know, I had a few ideas, but don't know. But nice drills. Let me see. There's 20 different colors here. So lots of greens. And then you got your pinks and corals. Ooh, that's pretty. And purples. A little tan. Bright orange, and then you go into the orange family, and a little bit of white. So there's a wide variety of drills, and I don't know, you know, if you had extra leftover drills, you could, you know, in the, what do you call it? Like in the rhinestones, and you wanted to get rid of them, you could maybe do some in rhinestones. I've got a wide variety of rhinestone stuff. So yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun project, and I thought maybe my daughter or granddaughter would like them because she likes small things, you know, things she can finish and accomplish. So we'll have to see. Maybe that can be a grandma and me project for sometime this summer. Who knows, you know, when she's terribly bored of everything else. They get that way. But when they're little, like 7 to 12, they don't seem to be quite so bored and antsy. But when they get to like middle school, high school, yeah, they just have, they're lost. And so halfway through the summer, you know, oh, Mom, I'm bored. Yeah, you remember those days. Yeah. All right, so we have a cross stitch. And as you can see, it comes with loads of colors. Trying to get it turned over. And let me unfold this. I'm going to put a picture of this here. All right, that way you can really see it. It is a 60 by 85. It is 232 stitches by 342 stitches. It comes on this great big, huge, ginormous pattern page. It has 50 colors, but I just thought it was beautiful. It looks like a little courtyard scene. I don't know, maybe in Italy or France or someplace, I don't know, or someplace whimsical, you know. It does have instructions down here at the bottom. Nice big paper key. This all matches your canvas, which is nice. It does have the colors, the DMC, the symbol, and the number on the thread cards, but 50 colors. Wow. But yeah, and it's got so many buildings and things that are not leaves and flowers, and that seems like all I'm doing lately, or background. Yeah, so I just thought it was different. Just beautiful. It does have 310, 823, no 939, it's 938, no 3371, it has 3865 for your white. So yeah, this is very nice. I wouldn't have to blow it up or anything if I needed to use it. Let's look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Comes with a little toolkit with a threader, 5 needles, a poof ball, and a so-called thimble. Let's look at those. Look at, oh my goodness. There's a lot of green in this. You know I'm a blue fan, but I like the picture. So, but we've got several individual skeins here. We'll just lay them down. It's kind of a pretty yellow-green, and then we have some browns. I'm assuming that goes on the buildings, you know, for all that trim. Looks Tudorish. And here's your 310. And that is, I don't know, 844. And maybe 939. No, 823 probably. Trying 823. And look at that brown. Just gorgeous. And you have extra greens. Gee, Manelli. This is a full coverage. It's all kind of wounded it up here. That's a beautiful brown. 938. Now 939 is a dark blacky blue. Yeah, I don't get it. How do they pick the numbers for these things? But just beautiful, beautiful colors. There's some more 823, I'm sure, but nope, 3750. Okay, I stand corrected. It is kind of a blue. Look at that green. Ooh, gorgeous. So, yeah, there's lots of hanks of threads here. And this kit was $20.38. So a little over $20. But not too bad. Hang on, I gotta give it a shake. But just absolutely beautiful. Look at that blue. To die for. Gorgeous. Oh, wait till you see this color palette. There's no stickers on here that says, you know, it's for this or that. So this should have its own bag. But yeah, just beautiful. Look at those turquoises and blues and teals and greens. Green galore. I'm telling you, there must be 25 colors in green, or shades of green. Just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna grab this and put this up there out of my way. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh my goodness. And this is gonna run up and down, so I will only be able to show you part of it. Hang on. Got to get it at least halfway there. Nice, great big key. Very easy to read symbols. It is serged all the way around. So this is half the size of what it is. And it's going to have its confetti parts, but, you know, it is what it is. Some things just never change. So, but it's all cross-stitch. Very nicely printed. Very easy to read numbers. So, yeah, I don't think I can. I'm looking. Well, yeah, it's how many centimeters wide? Was it 60? It is 58, which is 23. The actual picture is 20 and a half. So I can't measure this way, I don't believe. Nope, not going to happen. So yeah, it's fair good size, but just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Really a nice canvas. It's heavy duty, you know. That's what I would expect for, you know, a bigger one. But yeah, and the symbols are very nice and easy to see. So yeah, I don't know when I'm going to start on this. I don't know. It's going to be a thing. But at least it's not huge, huge. 83 centimeters, or 80, I have to look, 85 centimeters is 33 and a half inches. So it's almost, wow, really? 3 feet, you know, up and down. The actual, I mean, the whole piece is. So you take that, so about 30 inches up and down the picture is, but it would have to be framed. Just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and I like that there's big big areas, you know, and then small, and some of it's, you know, of course, confettied here and there, but it does have like rivers of color, you know, so that you can get things to look like, and I think that it's big enough that you're going to get the details. So that's awesome. Now, FGNormal has cross stitch and diamond painting, of course. They have free shipping on orders over 40 pounds, whatever that is in American dollars. So it's about $45, somewhere in there. They do have specials, usually like buy 2 get 1 free, or buy 4 get 2 free, whatever. If they have that kind of a special, I will put it in the description below. They have beaded cross stitch, and they have crafts for diamond painting and cross stitch, and tools for all of those. Plus they have tools for, they paint by number with tools and crafts as well. And they do have some embroidery in there. You know, sometimes, you know, some stores go absolutely crazy over embroidery, and there's all different kinds of things you can do with embroidery. But others, you know, just have a select few. So check that out. Thank you, FGNormal, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful products. I love them all. Yeah. So we'll see what I can do with those stickers. I don't know. We'll see how it hits her. You know. It'll depend. It's not Pokemon. You know how I feel about Pokemon. Yeah. Or it's not the princesses. She did get some princess stickers at Christmas, so. She liked those, and she's still working on them. She just does 1 or 2, and then she's done. You know. So she's not ready to commit to anything huge at this point. But, hey, she's coming along. We can't teach her how to cross stitch, so we'll just move right along and do something else. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.